Daily English conversations, real-life situations. Slow English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, you will learn daily English conversations for real life. These conversations are simple, slow, and easy. Listen carefully. Repeat slowly. Let us start. Conversation 1. Greeting someone. Hello. Hi. How are you today? I am fine, thank you. How about you? I am good. Nice to see you. Nice to see you too. Pause and repeat. Conversation 2. Introducing yourself. What is your name? My name is Rahim. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. What do you do? I am a student. I am learning English. That's great.
Conversation 3. At a shop. Customer. Excuse me. Shopkeeper. Yes? Customer. I want some water. Shopkeeper. Here you are. Customer. How much is it? Shopkeeper. It is 50 taka. Customer. Thank you. Shopkeeper. You're welcome. Very useful daily conversation. Conversation 4. Asking for help. Person A. Excuse me. Can you help me? Person B. Yes, of course. What do you need? Person A. I am looking for this place. Person B. Go straight and turn left. Person A. Thank you very much. Person B. No problem. Conversation 5. Talking about daily routine. Person A. What do you do every day? Person B. I wake up early. Person A. Do you work or study? Person B. I work during the day and study English at night. Person A. That is good. Practice is important. Conversation 6. At work or office. Person A. Good morning. Person B. Good morning. Person A. Are you busy now? Person B. A little. How can I help you? Person A. Can you explain this work? Person B. Yes, I will explain slowly. Person A. Thank you. Person B. You're welcome.
Practice section. Now practice alone. Say slowly. Hello, my name is blank. I am from blank. I am learning English. Nice to meet you. Pause the video and repeat again. Motivation. Remember this. You learn English. Speak every day. Even small sentences are powerful. You are improving. Ending. Thank you for watching. This was Daily English Conversation, Real Life Situations. Like this video. Share with beginners. Subscribe for daily English practice. See you in the next lesson. Keep speaking English.